Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 10 matrix students. Uh, Today we are going to define and explain the three kind of formulas: the molecular formula, the structure formula, and the condensed formula. So let me start with the molecular formula. So its definition, we can define it is the formula which shows the actual number of atoms in a molecule. It shows the actual number. Shows the actual number of atoms. It shows the actual number, or represent the actual number of atoms in one molecule. In one molecule. These are the very simple things, and I am doing it quickly to you people. Like for example, we say methane. Methane it is an organic compound. Its molecular formula could be is CH4. Clear? Similarly, the molecular formula is of ethane is C2H4. C2H6, sorry, ethane. Clear? Similarly, that of propane, it has the formula C3H8. Clear? So over here it clearly shows the actual number of carbon and hydrogen in each one, in each hydrocarbon. Now the structure formula, what structure formula is? Structural formula the structure formula can be defined as the formula which represents the bonding arrangement between the atoms. It shows the bonding arrangement. The bonding arrangement of what? The bonding arrangement between the one between the atoms. Between the atoms. Okay? Between in the molecule or a compound of a compound. Clear? The bonding arrangement between the molecules, between the atoms in a molecule of a compound. The structure formula. Single bond is represented by a single dot. Clear? These are the characteristics. The double bond will be the double lines, and the triple lines will represent the triple bond. The three lines will represent the triple bond. For example, let me take the methane. Its structure formula could be a simple one hydrogen. Clear? So this is the structure formula of methane. Now the structure formula of ethane could be the two hydrogen covalently bonded with the three. Each carbon is bonded with three hydrogen. Clear? So this is the structure formula of ethane. Similarly, if you want to draw the structure formula of propane, so it could be like this. I mean to say, now this is what which represents the single covalent bond. Each single line is represented. Now if you want to show the ethene like CH2CH2, clear? So this could be represented in this way. The double line between the two carbon is representing the double. Similarly, ethyne, each carbon is covalently bonded with a triple covalent bond with the other carbon. and a single covalent bond with the hydrogen. Clear? Now, the condensed form. Let me show you the condensed formula. The formula, condensed formula. Condensation means to squeeze into smaller, in a smaller space. Like for example, the formula definition could be the formula where the group of atoms are shown in order as they appear in the structure formula without bonds is called, like this is shown with the bond, and I am showing this thing or in this form. Clear? Like CH4 could be represented in the condensed form with CH4. The C2 which I have shown you in this form can be condensed without showing their bonding is C2H6. Okay, this is how we are condensing the formula. Now this is squeezed into smaller space as compared to this one. As compared to this one, it has acquired more space. Clear? Now these formulas can also be shown, you already know, with the dot and cross form. The dot and cross form is showing you the dot and cross formula. You can say the dot and cross formula. Dot and cross. So, and this, like for example, let me first define the structure formula in which electrons are shown as dot and cross between the two bonded atoms in one molecule. Like for example, we are showing CH4 and what kind of formula, and the structure formula we are showing it in this form. Okay. We have already discussed that this single line is representing the single covalent bond. So it means that carbon and hydrogen, they are singly covalent bond over here in methane. So this is what the dot and cross formula. This is the cross. Let's suppose the cross is for hydrogen and the dot is for the carbon. So as to distinguish between the two kind of atoms. Okay. Similarly, if I say propane, propane can be represented in this way, that each carbon atom is is covalent bonded by a single covalent bond with each other, and similarly they are attached to the single covalent bond with the hydrogen as well. Clear? So this is what we covered. Over here the 3 hydrogen will be covalent bonded with the carbon. So see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7 1 2 3 6 7 8 C3H8. It's the same case over here, C3H8. So this is how the dot and cross can be shown. Clear?